Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to my series on the Hiseeu or Hiseeu wireless security camera kit. And this video will be on the customer service or support of the Hiseeu camera. More specifically, this video will be on product warranty and post-purchase customer support. So here's the story. After setting up the Hiseeu NVR kit, we figured everything seemed to be working, and then an hour later, we realized that the NVR wasn't turning on. So we have a video that explains more about it, which we'll show at the end of this. But long story short, we figured out that the power supply for the NVR wasn't working. So my dad was a bit miffed at it, so he decided to contact support. And even on a slip that they include with the package, they say, please do not return this product to the retailer before contacting Hiseeu support. So he decided to email them. Now, I think it says right here, Johnny@hiseeu.com, but I think he emailed a different listed email. They also had a phone number, but you had to call it between a specific time, I think 5 to 12. So he emailed them. And wow, they were very responsive. He got an email back within 30 minutes, or half an hour. And they asked us for an address. So they asked us for an address so that they could send us a replacement. And we have that right here. So this is the power supply, and my dad actually didn't contact the email that was on the card. It says Johnny@hiseeu.com, but he actually emailed. He actually responded to. If you remember earlier in our videos, we referred to an email that they sent to my dad 2 days after he bought the product. So he responded to that email, and that email was bought from Macy Security. And I think the guy's name was Saul. So anyway, we got it 2 days after we replied. And this is the new power supply. I think it looks just like the old one, if I recall correctly. Or maybe not. We'll put their contact info in the description below in case you want to contact them. Keep in mind that according to Amazon, the warranty for it is 1 year. That being said, here are the clips where we recorded that the power supply didn't work. I'm back. It's been 2 hours since we last recorded and been 4 hours since we opened the box. And we just installed a camera on the outside of our garage. Now, from what we can tell, it's working. The thing is, when my dad came back from installing the camera in front of the garage, he realized that the NVR wasn't working. Come to find out, though, it wasn't the NVR that wasn't working, it was the power supply, and it's this power supply, the big one. So what we did was, the way we found out was, instead of using the big power supply to supply the NVR, we used a small power supply. Now the difference between those is that this one is 12 volt, 2 amps, the small ones are 12 volts, 1 amp. So the difference between these is that they have a different amount of amperage, which is basically how much power is coming to the NVR. So since we are providing less amps, it's probably not enough to power both the system and the hard drive. So we're going to send them a call, or we're going to send them an email, probably include this video, maybe call them, and maybe that'll be a test of how good their customer support is. But for now, we just want to update you about this problem that we had. Alright, so let me show you. Right now, the small one's plugged in. You can see that it's connected to the back of the NVR. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the big one. And watch the monitor. We're going to plug out this one. Of course, it's going to turn off. Then we're going to plug in. We should have also pointed out that on the power, on the front, that power and the system lights were turning on. Now, when we plug in the big adapter, the system doesn't turn on, and the lights for both power and system don't show up. And as you can see, it is plugged in. So what we can tell from this, what we can diagnose, is that the source of the problem is the power supply. It must be faulty. All right, just to further support that, you can see that right now the large adapter is plugged in. We're going to unplug it. You see that the small adapter isn't plugged in, so it's definitely not powering it. Okay. It's not magic. We're going to take the small adapter, see where this wire leads, okay? Keep track of this wire. It might get tangled, but as you can see, it ends with this port right here. Plug it into the port. That's the actual word. You can hear the beep. And you should be able to see the blue light and the yellow light for... Oh wait, it's red light for power. And there should be a blue light for recording and yellow light for system. You'll see it when it turns on. Just to connect to one of the cameras now. So blue light for system and yellow light for recording. There we go. I'm gonna get closer to you. So since we know that the NVR works with the small adapter, even though it only has 1 volt, and it doesn't work with the large adapter, which has 2 amps, 1 amp versus 2 amps, that means that this must be the source of the problem. So this must be faulty. You know, it's just a shame though, because this wireless camera security system is just filled with so many features like the audio and the night vision that a simple problem like this, you know, down the road it could be very bad. But right now we're going to see what we can do about it. We're going to contact support, and like I said before, hopefully they'll be very good. We'll see. We'll test them to see how good they are. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering, if we have the broken power supply right here and the new power supply here, how is the system working? Well, if you are wondering that, then stay tuned after this clip. So for now, I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. We got other videos on I and Aiman, and if we do further videos on the Hiseeu wireless security camera kit, then watch them. So I'll see you there. Signing out. Peace and good night.